Un défi principal pour les décideurs du système de santé est de déterminer la meilleure façon d'intégrer les guides de pratique clinique à travers le système de santé. On reconnaît plusieurs organisations canadiennes pour leur approche en ce qui concerne le développement et l'utilisation des GPC pour améliorer la qualité des soins. Par exemple, le groupe d'études canadien sur les soins de santé préventifs jouit d'une réputation internationale de développeurs de GPC de haute qualité.
In the world today, there are hundreds and hundreds of guidelines. And physicians who are in primary care who have very limited time to read the evidence and still keep time for their patients need to have a trusted set of guidelines where they can go to. And that's really the role of the Canadian Task Force, is to summarize all the other evidence that's out there and guidelines and provide a concise set of recommendations for primary care.
Les recommandations portent sur les renseignements pratiques destinés à appuyer les fournisseurs de soins primaires dans le domaine de la santé préventive pour les conditions comme le cancer et l'obésité.
So the guidelines from the Canadian Task Force undergo a very rigorous development process. We start with an extensive scoping process to understand what this topic's all about. We then move into a stage of systematic review where the evidence is very carefully reviewed and summarized. That evidence then goes back to the task force group, and we spend a great deal of time reviewing it, understanding it, looking at nuances in the different studies that are presented to really understand how strong is this evidence, how sure are we that we can make recommendations in one direction or the other. So through this entire process, it's a constant review feedback system so that by the end we're pretty confident that we've addressed all major issues and have a set of guidelines that our family doctors will feel comfortable using to inform their practice.
La stratégie canadienne de l'AVC est un bon exemple de comment les GPC peuvent être mis en œuvre au niveau national.
The Canadian Stroke Strategy has really been a movement over the last 7 years to take the best of all provinces in terms of quality stroke care delivery and bring it together into one national, trusted, reliable package.
Le but était d'harmoniser les divers guides destinés aux soins de l'AVC à travers le Canada et d'en faire une seule liste standardisée.
Within each province, we've identified leads for stroke. We've also then teamed them up with the researchers and the champions at the clinician level, nurses, physicians, occupational therapists, physiotherapists. And together we've been able to build teams within each province who really become the champions, the advocates, the lobbyists, and have moved the stroke strategy and stroke care by major leaps and bounds within each province.
Un rôle important de la stratégie canadienne de l'AVC est d'évaluer la qualité des soins de l'AVC à travers le Canada et d'identifier des lacunes au moyen d'indicateurs de la performance.
We were one of the first in the world to not only tell you what you should do in terms of the recommendations, but we also incorporated performance measures right into every recommendation. So for everything we suggest that you should be doing, we also provide a way to monitor, how to monitor whether you are doing it and to what extent. We've then, on a national level, conducted a national stroke audit of over 10,000 charts across the country to really examine the quality of care.
Une histoire de réussite au niveau provincial nous vient de l'Agence du cancer de l'Ontario. Action Cancer Ontario a mis en place un système qui intègre les GPC dans toute la gamme de services de soins afin d'en améliorer la qualité. Leur mandat est de surveiller les soins de cancer en Ontario.
Cancer Care Ontario established the program in evidence-based care to provide an ongoing infrastructure for the development of high-quality evidence-based guidelines.
Action Cancer Ontario relie les GPC à un système d'évaluation et de gestion très efficace, qui exige la participation active des fournisseurs de soins de cancer et des leaders régionaux de partout en Ontario.
Clinical practice guidelines are really important tools in driving best practice, but on their own, they probably have limited value in making change. They need to be incorporated in a broader performance improvement program. So that's why we've, at Cancer Care Ontario, incorporated performance data to show people where they are today. We provide current performance data to all of our providers, which are really 14 regional cancer programs. We show them what best practice looks like in the form of clinical practice guidelines or organizational standards, and we work with them to drive their care more in accordance with best practice.
Un autre ensemble de GPC exemplaires nous vient de l'Association des infirmières et infirmiers autorisés de l'Ontario, la RNAO.
Our clinical best practice guidelines are robust, and by that I mean that the process to develop the guidelines is a very rigorous and precise process, which scope the topic in a very clear way. And what that means is that you can produce guidelines that are very precise on the actions that nurses and others need to take to produce best results.
La RNAO a créé un programme pour désigner les organismes promoteurs de pratiques exemplaires, qui aident les organismes admis de mettre en place les pratiques exemplaires en proposant une formation et un appui continu.
The success of the Best Practice Spotlights organization is beyond imagination. The tremendous commitment, rigor by which organizations implement the guidelines, sustainability of the guidelines that they originally implemented, as well as spread the new guidelines that they have taken as we develop new guidelines, has been simply fabulous.
Ces 4 exemples représentent des projets réussis qui ont pour but de développer ou d'intégrer les GPC dans notre système de santé. Mais il y a de nombreux autres projets à travers le pays qui devraient être partagés. Le Conseil canadien de la santé vous encourage à faire part de vos histoires de réussite en ce qui concerne les GPC.